Hello, stampers and crafters. My name is Sarah Chatello from Sassy Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I want to show you what you get in a paper pumpkin box. So this is August's box. It's called the Hope Box. Mine got a little dinged up from the post office, but it's basically every paper pumpkin is a surprise every month. So you get a little preview of what's inside, but you don't really get to see until you open it. So I've not opened this box yet, and I just want to show you what you get in a standard, I guess, paper pumpkin. So we open it up, and every paper pumpkin comes with a stamp set, and this is the one for this box. And I love this stamp set. I love butterfly. I love butterflies. So this one is a very encouraging stamp set. These sentiments could be used for all occasions, but it's got the hope, just a note of hope. I like this one. Always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. And then you always get a ink. So this is called a Stampin' Spot. It's the same ink as our full-size pads, just smaller. So that's the full-size Blackberry Bliss compared to the Stampin' Spot. And this is also a great way to build up your ink collections. Excuse me. They tend to not put the same one in a 12-month period. So we have September's, October's, November's, December's left. I doubt you'll get a Blackberry Bliss again. And then this one also comes with this beautiful ribbon. And then you get a little pamphlet in every one. And this one turns the paper pumpkin box into a hope box. And then when you open up, you get this great tissue paper that I always save. And it comes with your project. Now, in your first paper pumpkin, if you've never subscribed to Paper Pumpkin before, they will send you a Stampin' block to go with your stamp. So it's a D-size block. It's about this size. It's just thinner. And that'll come in your very first box. But this is the kit. And I'm not going to be making it today. I just want to show you the contents of the box. But if you stay tuned to my Facebook page, I go live on Fridays. Friday, August 27th, I will be making alternates for this kit. So I'm not going to be making the actual cards for the instructions of the kit. I'll be making things a little bit different. So this kit makes 9 cards, 3 of each design, and the hope box. So you get these beautiful die cuts. Let me flip all these over so you can see everything better. And these are your adhesives. So you get some dimensionals and some glue dots. Also some sequins. Envelopes to go with your card. And there's 3 designs of these. And then some more die cuts. Some little banners here. And then these are just panels that you can stamp on, and they go along to make the project. You get some sentiments, and these are in different languages. And on Friday, I'm going to show you how I use these, so I don't waste them, because I don't speak any other language other than English, so I'm not going to really use these, but I'll show you how you can use them even if you don't speak another language. And here's some more panels. Some more die cuts. Pretty Bermuda Bay panels. Some more butterflies. And these are the card base. These are 3 of the card bases. Oh, and these ones are pretty. This is also a die cut. And then this is the belly band to go around your hope box. And then these are the other card bases. There's lots in this kit. More die cuts. And then the final card bases. So that's pretty much what you get in a standard paper pumpkin kit. You get enough to make all of the projects, plus there will probably be some extra. You get adhesive, you get ink, you get stamps, you usually get an embellishment. This one has 2 with the ribbon and the sequins. And like I said, it's a surprise every month, but it's usually always fun. And you get a little preview. So if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram. I usually always show a preview of the month box. So this month is the Hunt and Harvest box. And if you go to my Facebook page or my Instagram, you can see a preview of that. This one, next month's box, the one that you can order right now, the box, somehow, I don't know, it's a surprise, turns into a wheelbarrow. So I'm very excited about that. So if you would like to get in on Paper Pumpkin, just click the link in this post and it'll take you to the Paper Pumpkin page. And come back on Friday to see my alternates for this Paper Pumpkin. Until next time, have a great day.